Well, I wasn't out there. I've just been talking with the police. I can tell you this, my discussions with the officers that have been out there have described this as one of the worst things that they have ever seen. And for officers who have been on the street and have been detectives, for them to come up and say that, and that this case has made them angry, you can just surmise from that what kind of scene that must have been. The police department has taken into their custody, into what we refer to as police protective custody, 6 children, all female, and those children right now there's an investigation that's being conducted jointly with this office, the police department, DCF, Department of Children and Families, and we'll still yet to be seen what comes out of that investigation. But I'll tell you that those children are safe, and that they'll be under the jurisdiction of the court for some time. Judge Alves signed that warrant for 3 charges: 1 count of abuse of a child, aggravated battery, and aggravated assault. The charges were formally filed this morning when the court opened after the 4-day holiday, and they are formally filed with the court now. Those charges are a result of an incident that began on November 25th that the Kansas City, Kansas Police Department responded to. The police initially responded to what they believed was a domestic violence situation involving Heather Jones, and from there it escalated into a much larger investigation. The aggravated battery and the aggravated assault charges are what result from the investigation involving Heather Jones, the wife of the defendant, Michael Jones. But we are continuing the investigation. I don't believe you've seen the end result of charges yet. I believe that there's probably more charges to come. There is a lot of investigation to come. Just prior to this meeting here, we met with the police department and outlined a number of steps that need to be taken. There's a lot of electronics that needs to be examined. The crime scene probably needs to be re-examined. Vehicles need to be re-examined. So I guess what I'm saying is there's a lot of work to be done. It's not over with, and there may be additional charges out of that. When those additional charges come, we'll make the appropriate announcement at that time.